Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. We've already turned off the water and disconnected the electrical. Now let's remove the solenoid valve. We have a 1/2 inch and 7/16 inch wrench, as well as a Phillips head screwdriver. First thing we'll do is loosen up the pipes. Now we'll remove the mounting. Now let's install the new valve. It's important that the arrow be pointing towards the feed tube. That's the direction of the water flow. Let's mount it to the unit first. Tighten up the screws. Now we're ready to connect the water lines. Here's the water inlet line. Make it hand tight. And the feed tube. Now let's snug them up. Now the only thing remaining is to connect the electrical. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.